Hello everybody, my name is Sonandal KJ1308. Today we are going to explain the CRS inquiry of Indian Railways. CRS stands for Commissioner of Railway Safety. Its headquarters situated at New Delhi comes under the Ministry of Civil Aviation. In headquarters, 5 deputy CRS are currently servicing. 2 deputy CRS are posted at Mumbai and Kolkata. CRS enquiries comes into the action where major train accident happens, like a loss of life or 2 crore rupees loss of railway property. CRS deals with the matter related to safety of rail operations among some statutory and independent body functions. Inspectional, investigation and advisory as laid down in Railway Act 1989 under section 113. Once an inquiry is ordered, it follows a strict guidelines for evidence gathering. CRS submits its detailed investigation report after 90 days of incident case. Thank you.
Let's take an example of Balasore incident on 2 June 2023. In this 292 casualties, 1000 plus injured, CR submit its report on 28 June by Southeastern Circle CRS that is Commissioner of Railway Safety, whose name was A.M. Chaudhary at that time. Now let's discuss the detailed report investigating, but this report not publicly revealed, but comes in the hand of media. In this incident, high-speed Coromandel Express collided with the goods train, which is standing on the loop line at Bangna Bazar station. It is the concept of reverse point where the train changes the line is called point. Point must be set to main line, but due to S&T department mistake, S&T department means Signal and Telecommunication Department, it is set to the loop line, but the signal was off for main line, but point set to the loop line. In this, loco pilot should pass the train to main line at the full sectional speed, that is 130 km per hour. According to speedometer, speed of train just before collision is 128 km per hour, and after collision speed becomes zero in just fraction of seconds. As goods train is fully loaded, due to large mass inertia of the goods train, it stands still after collision, means in the fraction of second. Coromandel Express train is still, so the train did not move. Impact was very serious. Train first collided and then derailed, and some coaches also jumped on the another line. One more train, that is SMVT to Howrah Express, comes from opposite lane. This train last 3 coaches gets derailed due to collision between the goods train and Coromandel Express. According to this report, incident main culprit is Signal and Telecommunication Department. Thank you. Also, electric lifting barrier work was carried out on the level crossing at 94. Circuit was changed by S&T department, Signal and Telecommunication Department. That circuit diagram which was used by Signal and Telecommunication Department also was not standardized up to the level of railway standards. All the circuits used was old. No approved circuit was used, so which signal process is compromised. If all the circuit was correct and up to the mark, then due to interlocking, it is not possible that point is set towards loop line but signal is set to main line. So now at evening 4:21 p.m. that point was operated by station master, but due to point failure it takes some time to work as compared to normal condition. So it was the point abnormality. Signal station master does not inform the
Station master does not inform to signal and telecommunication department about this problem. If it was informed to period to SNT department, accident may not happen. So all the negligence caused this type of accident. If this all the higher officer was responsible. So the collision was no mistake was found for logo pilot and train manager. Thank you.